Okay, so we're going to look at different types of strengths for lines of best fit that can happen in scatter plots. So we'll look here at scatter plot 1, which is labeled A. So we can see here the points are going down. So if we apply our rules and try and go through as many as we can, try and have the same amount above and below, this right here would be a pretty good line of best fit. Now the points are pretty close to the line, so this one I would definitely have to label strong. And because it's going down to the right, it would be what we call a negative correlation. Whereas the second one here, you can see the points are trending upwards. So something like that would be a good line of best fit. This one right here I would have to say is weak. The points are not that close to the line, but it is going up to the right, so we would label that positive. See now, situation for the third one, you could make a case here, well, maybe we could go up like this, but then you could also make a case, maybe you're going down like that. If you have a situation where you really can't decide if it's going to be positive or negative, that's an indication that it's too scattered. So in this case here, we would say there's no relationship. Now, you can also get curves of best fit. So if you look here at the fourth one, I can see here, I'm actually following a curve. And that curve there is going to be labeled strong because those points are fairly close to my curve of best fit. Next one here again, same idea. I think this one is too scattered. I could make a case to go up, or I can make a case to go down. So this case here, no relationship. Oh, forgot to label this one here. I would have to label is negative because it is falling down to the right. Now this one here, I can tell right away this is going to be pretty strong. So it's going to be positive. And this should be strong. Okay, so a couple more. Actually, just going to do one more here. This one here, that to me would be negative and a weak relationship. Those points are not too close. So we got the last couple there. Last couple there's some example of curves, best fit, but I do want to go on to use that word correlation. So we can see here a scatter plot shows a positive correlation when the pattern rises to the right. This means that the two quantities increase together, so that would mean your independent and your dependent values are increasing together. Scatter plot shows a negative correlation when the pattern falls down to the right. This means as one quantity increases, the other decreases. And a scatter plot shows no correlation when no pattern appears. Hint, if the points are roughly enclosed in a circle, then there is no correlation. So going back to what I was saying up here, if you could kind of make that X, what they're saying is that like you could draw a circle around that. So you can think of it as you can make like an X, or you can draw a circle around it. That would be a good indication that it is no relationship there. Okay, so again, just some tips there.